TempleOS, formerly called J operating system or SparrowOS, is a 64-bit biblical temp minimalist operating system that has only 100,000 lines of code. Created entirely from scratch by American programmer Terry A. Davis in 10 years. The operating system has been written in Holy C, Terry's own version of C programming language. It acts as both the system interface and a scripting language, allowing developers to type comments that instantly compile into the running OS. TempleOS features compilation just in time. According to Terry, he had a revelation of Jesus Christ and he told him to build the third temple, an operating system. God said to Terry that screen resolution should be only 640x480, no more. The system features LOLDAC, a unique hypertext format. It allows to input 3D objects directly to the text. RedC, a native 64-bit files system also created by Terry. Files are stored in contiguous blocks and cannot grow in size. It also uses a simple bitmap for allocation tracking rather than complex tables. Let's return to the design. TempleOS features only 60 colors, 30 frames per second, and is locked at 640x480 resolution. Additionally, the system doesn't support any kind of networking. One of the most interesting things is you can talk to God in TempleOS. When you press F7 key, the operating system will randomly select words from the Holy Bible. In the system there are many fun games, for example, After Egypt, an interactive biblical simulation where you, as Prophet Moses, guided by God to use a staff and lead followers. The entire system is on Ring 0 and the kernel is located in the system drive and can be very easily modified. Another interesting app is Psalmody. You can create own music there, so-called by Terry hymns. TempleOS fully supports CD and DVD. And give me a second. Subscribe to this channel because my own distribution of TempleOS is coming soon. It will be something spectacular. More information soon on this channel. This month.